First time mo ba mag-travel out of the country as an OFW? Here is a quick airport guide for you. So ideally, nasa airport ka na between 2 to 3 hours before your flight. So, doon ka magpatid sa departure area ng airport. And then, pagdating mo sa entrance, usually hinahanap ng guard yung plane ticket mo at saka passport just to see if nag-match ba yung name mo doon. And then, pag nakapasok ka na, check mo na lang yung flight number mo at saka yung destination to check if hindi ba canceled or delayed yung flight mo. And also if pag-open na ba for check-in. And then you should also have, in my experience kasi, your OEC will be stamped by the POEA or OWA desk. And then pag okay na yan, you can proceed to the airline counter. Sometimes, meron silang separate visa checker to see if valid ba yung visa mo. And then, most of the time, kasama na doon sa airline counter yung pag-check ng if may valid visa ka ba. And then, pagdating mo naman sa airline counter, you will just present your passport and sometimes hinahanap din yung plane ticket, but usually it's just the passport and the OEC. So itong OEC ang mag-exempt sa'yo from paying the travel tax. And then, pag na-issuehan ka na ng boarding pass and na-check-in mo na yung luggage mo, you can proceed to the immigration. So sa entrance ng immigration, yung guard will check your passport and your boarding pass to see if nag-match yung name. And then you should also have your e-travel QR code. Itong e-travel, you can accomplish this one 72 hours or 3 days before your travel. Pwede ka nang kumuha ng e-travel QR code. Ilalagay mo lang doon yung travel details mo and then you can get your QR code. Usually, hindi naman ito hinahanap, but just in case, kasi parang natitrace ng mga immigration officer if may e-travel QR code ka ba. Kasi ito yung nag-replace sa departure card. E-travel na siya ngayon. And then pag dating mo naman pag nakapila ka na dun sa immigration, sa line for the immigration officer, i-prepare mo na yung passport, boarding pass, yung plane ticket, your employment contract, your OEC, and PIDOS certificate. Usually naman, yung mga agency, naka-attach na siya doon sa passport mo, itong mga kailangan mong documents. And then, usually, wala namang tanong yung immigration officer. Titingnan lang nila if walang discrepancy itong mga documents mo, and then they will stamp the departure stamp on your boarding pass and your passport. And once nakalagpas ka na ng immigration officer, you will go to the final security check or the x-ray scan to check if meron ka bang mga prohibited items or mga liquids na more than 100 ml. So after the x-ray scan, you can proceed to the boarding gate. Usually, nakalagay na siya sa boarding pass mo or you can check sa flight monitor kung saan ba yung boarding gate assignment mo. And then, when it's boarding time, you'll just present your passport together with your boarding pass and then, ayun, sasakay ka na sa aeroplano and then, happy travel! Yun na yan.